So I went to this YouTuber's channel and watched him meticulously sweat over making these cool low polygon 3D models. And I was like, whoa, this stuff is cool. I wish I could make stuff like this for my games. So I took a screenshot, brought it to Gemini AI, and then went to SAM3D, which is just another one of these digital witchcraft AI gizmos. Uploaded the picture, and about 5 seconds later, I had my cool 3D looking girl. Not quite like the original, the poor geeky 3D modeler slaved over all day in his dark basement. I'm guessing he spent a solid 8 hours on it. Yeah, so after that I was like, what if we could animate this too using AI? My gosh, I don't know about you guys, but after seeing this, I wouldn't be betting on making a living as a 3D artist anytime soon. But hey, you can still be a 3D animator. Yes, that's a brilliant career choice these days. So let's upload this to Mixamo and... oh look, this thing also auto-rigs the model. Oh my god, don't bet your house and all your chips on becoming a 3D animator either, folks. Look at this, bro. It's over. Smooth animations, and get this, these are free. Imagine what kind of soul-crushing obsolescence you can buy for the price of a fancy cup of coffee these days. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you how our impending technological irrelevance is shaping up. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear back from you. See what you think. Till next time, see you in the next video.